Hi everyone, welcome back. Long time no see. See, my hair is now purple. Sorry for my hiatus. I've been super busy at work and I've been traveling a little bit, but in the process of traveling I was able to get, so this is the new Glossier Lash Slick. So this caused quite a bit of controversy. So when I actually purchased it, everything was good. It was a super busy store actually. Got in, and then like the next day they posted something about not being vegan, and as you know, a lot of the stuff that Glossier does is vegan friendly, and this is not a vegan mascara, so keep that in mind. But I'm not too bothered by it, so I kept it, and I wanted to do a wear test. So if you could tell, it is the end of the day here and I'm tired and I'm ready to take a shower and go to bed. So I actually had a few things today. I've been out and about running around in the city. So I am in Sydney and it is cold and freezing cold for me though. I know some people who are watching be like, cold? Come on, it's not snowing over there, is it? It's not snowing, but it is cold and it's not very pleasant. But when you go indoors, it's hot and humid. So this is kind of like a good wear test for the day. So let's go rewind back to the beginning of this day and see how I went along, and I'll be checking in throughout the day. See you soon. Bye. So today I'm testing out the new Glossier Lash Slick, which is their highly anticipated mascara. I was so excited when this got released. This is actually, I was actually coincidentally in New York at the same time this was launched, so I was I rushed out to the store and I grabbed it. So I've already curled my lashes, but let's see how this goes. So this is how the bristle looks like. It's a tapered bristle and there's nothing too special. There's nothing like jagging out, nothing that is like on the market nowadays, where it seems like sometimes they get a little bit too creative with the wand, and it just makes it, I don't know, maybe I'm not used to it, but the application gets really, really difficult. So let's try one eye first. So this is definitely a mascara you use for a kind of like a natural day. You won't use this, uphold and gravitate towards this mascara for night use. But it applies really smooth and definitely there's no clumping, which is good. I totally got mascara all over my lids. So you can see now the difference. There's the mascara, nothing. So let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more on this eye, and I'll show you guys how it applies. You can see? You can see all my freckles. Dip in it again. And on it goes. So it kind of, this one reminds me of, so let's wiggle it in, just pack it on. Let's try this eye, see how it looks to add more on. Should really clean my eyelids. And that is how it looks. I'll deal with you a little bit later. So I like my lashes quite thick and curly, and I notice this is definitely on the natural side, so keep that in mind. It doesn't really hold my curls, so my curls have kind of like flattened already, but it has flattened a little bit already, but it is actually very black, so I like that. And we'll see. Like I said, this is my natural day look, and let's see how it goes throughout the day. So so this is now, what time is it? 10:30 in the morning, so let's see how well it lasts. So I'm gonna try to leave it on all day and check in and see how it goes. So it is now mid-afternoon, or actually late afternoon now, and my mascara actually hasn't changed. It still looks the same as if I just put it on this morning, so it's looking really good. It hasn't transferred to my lower lids, which is nice, or my upper lid, which is good. So yeah, so far so good. So I actually just woke up from a nap and it's still there, has not budged. So far so good. The other thing, it doesn't feel like it's crunchy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like flake off at all. So it's actually quite movable, as you can If that makes sense. Hope that makes sense. Let's keep checking in. Alrighty, back again. So as you see earlier on, I took a nap, and when I did take a nap, I actually wiped all my face makeup off but kept my eye and eyebrow makeup on, and I went out and had dinner with friends and stuff. It's just casual, nothing too glam. And to be honest, by the end of today, my mascara is still looking perfect. It is crazy. I think I found my new everyday mascara and I'm in love with it. It is not expensive. It was 18, oh actually I won't say it's not expensive. It is 18 US dollars, and unfortunately you can't get it yet in Australia, but when it does become available, just buy. So looking on their website, so this is a film form mascara. So apparently 248 formulations later, they came up with the perfect everyday mascara. And I do agree with that. I'm just actually reading this off on my phone. It enhances your natural lashes instead of clumping them together or spackling them with product. Tiny fibers coat lashes from root to tip to create a lengthened baby extension. After flexible film forming polymers lift and lock each fiber into place, it is water resistant, not waterproof, so water resistant, so lash leak washes off easily with warm water at the end of the day. So it doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge, and it lasts all day. So I do agree with all three of the last three statements. So it doesn't clump, it definitely doesn't flake, because when you touch it, it's not actually crunchy feeling, it's actually quite soft and movable. It does say removes with warm water, but let's try with a makeup wipe and see how it goes. I really like this Clinique mascara. I can't remember the high impact one, and it does say that it doesn't remove with cold water, and it doesn't actually. Oh, it's smudging it on my face. So actually with makeup wipe, it can't really get it off. It's still on there, but it smudges as it goes. So I'm gonna try now with warm water. So let's get some warm water and I'll BRB. So I'm back and I just wet the wet wipe with warm water. Maybe it needs consistently running warm water. So already I can see, so it's smudged on my lower line, but yeah, no, it is actually removing it from my lashes. So I'm actually using running warm water. BRB. So, yo, I'm back, and as you can see, I am makeup free. Oh, mine's the eyebrows. I don't think I washed my eyebrows yet. So what I did was I actually went and got warm water and just smeared it on my eye, and it just went and smudged it all over, and I had to whip out my trusty makeup eraser to take off the rest of the facial makeup. So in all, I won't say it comes off as easily as I would have hoped for an everyday makeup. So everyday makeup, I kind of just want to be able to warm water and off it comes. So it's not as easy as it looks. So you do need a little bit of makeup remover in that process. But in saying that, once you got rid of it, actually your lashes feel quite nice, quite soft. It doesn't feel like there's any residue left on there like some of my waterproof mascara. So I do gravitate towards waterproof mascaras. So let's go for the verdict. So in short, I love it. So I really do love this mascara. I'll give it a 4 out of 5, only because of the removal process is not as easy as I was hoping it would be. So yeah, because use warm water when cleansing, but I guess they mean with a makeup remover, which doesn't really make any difference. I currently also use the Benefit Roller Lash, and the makeup removal process is, I'll say it's about the same. So nothing too crazy, but I do notice the Roller Lash give me more curl and actually a little bit more volume. So this is a great everyday mascara if you want to gravitate towards the more natural look, or if you have already really thick lovely lashes, then damn, I'm jealous, but you're lucky because this will work wonders for you. So this is definitely worth a purchase. It's worth the hype as well. So congrats Glossier, you've done really well. I've actually, on my New York trip, I actually did a bit of damage at the Glossier store, so I've actually bought a lot of stuff and I'm kind of excited to review everything. So this is on top of the order I've made in the previous video, which I'll link below as well. So yeah, in short, thank you for listening to this. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll try to make more videos more often. And yeah, I look forward to next time. I actually have a really exciting comparison with another different mascara that I also purchased in the US. So I'll be filming that video shortly as well. So I'll catch you soon. As always, take care and love ya.